In this video, I'll show you my real earnings from 2 of my channels, and I'll show you how much YouTube pays per 1,000 views. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. If this video is valuable and entertaining, please leave a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks, and we'll jump into the video. So, YouTube money. How much are these YouTubers making, and how much can you expect to make if you go and start a YouTube channel yourself? So let me tell you, the amount that you get paid per 1,000 views on YouTube differs dramatically across different channels because of different factors. I have a channel on YouTube that earns $2 to $3 per 1,000 views, and then I also have a channel that earns $15 to $20 per 1,000 views. Now that's obviously significantly different, but let me just put it into perspective for you. If channel number 1 gets 100,000 views, it earns roughly $300. If channel number 2 gets 100,000 views, it earns roughly $2,000. So what's happening here, and why does YouTube pay those two channels significantly different amounts for the same amount of views? So to answer the question, we first need to understand why YouTubers actually get paid for views in the first place. Because YouTubers don't get paid for likes or subscribers. The only way people get paid on YouTube is through YouTube views. So YouTubers get paid for views on their videos because advertisers go to YouTube as a place to advertise their product or service. A company will go to YouTube and they'll pay some money and they'll say to YouTube, I want to advertise my product or service on these types of videos. YouTube will then put that advertisement on the videos that the advertiser wants, and it will pay its creators for then getting views to that advertisement. Now the important part to note out of this is advertisers can choose what videos they put their advertisements on. Because if you're Captain Crunch cereal, you don't want to be advertising your product on health and fitness videos because obviously that's not your target market. So with this in mind, let's take PewDiePie as an example. PewDiePie's videos are about memes, it's edgy humor, and the people that watch PewDiePie's videos are young kids, young teenagers, mainly in the Western world, I would guess. So young kids and teenagers aren't a very targeted group of people. Therefore, they're not that valuable to an advertiser, so advertisers generally aren't willing to bid super high on his videos. So, on average, PewDiePie probably makes between $1 and $3 per 1,000 views. This is the same for a lot of vloggers on YouTube because they just have a general audience. Now, if you have a targeted audience, for example, somebody like Stephan, who makes videos about finance, investing, and real estate, your CPM, or the amount you make per 1,000 views, is going to be much, much higher. So Stephan's viewers are generally older people with more money in their pocket to spend, and these people are generally looking to make money because they're watching videos on finance and making money. This means advertisers are willing to spend a lot more money on Stephan's channel because his audience is targeted and they can sell things like investing programs or make money online courses. So Graham posted a video showing how much he made off 10 million views in 30 days. And remember, he's a finance and make money online YouTuber. 10 million views made him $103,000. The niche you make videos in plays a huge part in how much YouTube pays you per 1,000 views. So just think about that when you're creating your channel and when you're making your own videos. Another determining factor which changes how much you make per 1,000 views is how many advertisements are there in that video. When you make a video over 8 minutes long, you can go and manually add in more advertisements so you can double or triple your revenue off that one video. Literally, to add an advertisement, all you do is you go to your videos, you can go to details, and then we go to monetization down here. And here you can add in as many advertisements as you want. So we'll go manage mid-rolls. And here I've got 2 advertisements, but I could add as many as I wanted to. And I would essentially double, triple, or quadruple the amount of money I'm making from one video. So let's go back to our PewDiePie example, and we'll investigate how much he's making from YouTube ads in the last 30 days. Then I'll show you some secret tips to make the most amount of money possible from your own YouTube videos when you start to create a channel and when you get monetized on YouTube. So to work out PewDiePie's earnings in the last 30 days, we could go and add up all of his videos across the last 30 days. But the thing is, that will be long-winded and it would just be complicated. And you have to understand PewDiePie has 4,000 uploads, and a video doesn't stop getting views when you publish it. In fact, a lot of videos on YouTube will get views for the lifetime of the video, which means that creator is going to earn money from that video literally forever. So we're going to use our trusty friend Social Blade to estimate how much he's earning. Social Blade, we can just type in any YouTuber here, and it's going to give us analytics of their YouTube channel. So you can see in the last 30 days, PewDiePie has had 228 million views. And we can use this to work out how much money he's actually earning. So to work out PewDiePie's earnings, we're going to take his views for the last 30 days, which is 228,134,000. And we are going to divide that by 1,000, which is 228,000. And then we're going to times that by a $2 CPM, and that's going to make him, on average, in the last 30 days, $456,000. And that's just with a $2 CPM as well. If he has a $3 CPM, it's obviously going to be much higher than that. But obviously that's PewDiePie. He obviously makes a lot of money from YouTube ad revenue and other sources. But how much money can I make and how much money can you make, just the average person, from YouTube ads? Can an average person like me or you still make, let's say, a full-time income online on YouTube in 2020? So the answer is yes, you can absolutely make a full-time income on YouTube in 2020. And if you want to learn some tips and tricks to grow, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I'm literally showing you the blueprint to making money on YouTube. I've grown 4 different channels myself that I share with you on this channel, so just make sure you subscribe. And also follow these tips which I'm about to share with you, because they're actually going to be really valuable. So the most obvious tip is to make videos in a high CPM niche. Being in a high CPM niche means you don't have to get as many views monthly to actually make a full-time income on YouTube. Now you may be like, well Bradley, what is a high CPM niche? And I'm going to list some to give you some examples. So the biggest high CPM niche is money and finance. You can make money online videos, finance, investing, stocks, real estate. Those are going to be really high valuable niches which pay a lot of money. Also, health and fitness pays a lot, technology pays a load, lifestyle also pays quite good. Basically any niche which targets adults, you're going to get a high CPM from that. So think about that when you're creating your YouTube channel and making content. So tip number 2 might sound silly, but just don't swear in your YouTube videos. Swearing on YouTube is going to get your YouTube videos flagged, and it's going to bring your ad rate from here to here. Just don't swear in your YouTube videos, because the YouTube system is really good at picking up when people swear. Love it or hate it, that's where YouTube's going. So you've got to adapt and follow the trends. Don't swear on YouTube if you want your CPM to be as high as it can be. Now the third thing you should be doing to make more money on YouTube per 1,000 views is monetizing outside of YouTube. This is very important, and this can help you go from a $2 to $3 CPM to a $50 CPM. A lot of YouTubers make money outside of YouTube ads because they sell merchandise, they recommend products, and they do brand deals. If you can sell a product to your audience, you're going to significantly increase how much money you make per 1,000 views. For example, if you sell a $40 hoodie and you sell 2 hoodies per 1,000 views, you've just made $80 per 1,000 views instead of the standard $3 per 1,000 views. And if you're a small YouTuber, don't worry, you can still do this. You can just do this with affiliate marketing instead. Affiliate marketing is where you recommend a product, and if someone goes and buys it after clicking on your link, you then get a commission for that. The easiest affiliate marketing program to start with as a beginner is the Amazon affiliate program. Everyone buys on Amazon, so what you can do is you can go and sign up for the affiliate program. You can then link to your favorite products. When people go and buy those products after clicking on your link, you're going to get a commission and you're going to get a kickback for making that sale. So I hope that video was valuable. If it was, please make sure you leave a like on the video, subscribe, turn on notifications, and watch these videos here.